Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jolie Knots Crochet. Share with your friends. Hit that little notification bell so you can get notified when new patterns release. All our videos are available in left and right-handed tutorials.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal and today I'm going to teach you how to make a double magic ring. Now just a regular magic ring, a lot of people say they come out. In my opinion, it's because the ends aren't weaved in as well as they should be. Maybe the tail should be a little bit longer. Anyways, with the double magic ring, makes it a little bit easier and your circle doesn't get loose as easy. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take the end of my yarn, put it over my two fingers. Now I'm going to wrap it around my fingers 2 times, and then I just hold the end of the yarn with my third finger just so it doesn't come loose. Take my hook and go underneath those 2 wraps and pull my working yarn through. All right? Once you get it through, you're going to chain 1 to secure your ring. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pop in 12 double crochets so that way I can teach you how to tighten up your ring. All right, so now what you're going to notice when you look at your ring, of course it's double, so it's got 2 strands. It is going to matter which one we pull first. If we just pull on this, it should come pretty easy, but you're gonna be left with this part of the ring that's pretty hard to pull through. So, instead of doing that, what we're going to do is you will notice that there are 2 pieces to your ring, of course, because we wrapped our fingers twice. Now, one of those is coming from the stitches themselves, all right? One is coming from the chain where we started, and one is coming from where we placed all of our stitches. So not counting this one, we're going to take the bottom ring, the one coming from where we placed all our stitches, and we're going to pull that one. Now, we are going to take the end of our yarn, and we're going to pull it the rest of the way. And that's it. Really simple, nothing to it. The only thing I think people get worried about is just pulling onto the right loop. Right, you'll go ahead and pop your slip stitch in and continue on with your project. Now, of course, you do not want to just snip your end like that. You still want to make sure that you weave in your end and make that nice and tight. All right, thank you so much everybody for watching. Don't forget to watch my other crochet hacks and tutorials, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Have a great day.